What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at an anti-fog dual turbo cooling fan for the MetaQuest 3. So let's open this up so we can get a look at it. All right, so when we take this out the box, we get a couple of things. You're going to get your user manual, and you have a USB-C to USB-A charging cable so you can charge the device up. So let's get a closer look at this fan. So this is the way the fan looks. It has a dual fan action up top, so this way it channels air in and out, so you have a consistent airflow. You have a nice nose rest, you have a breathable cushion, so this way when you have this on, it helps keep you cool. And then up here is going to be a display. To turn the fan on, you just press the button. There's 3 speeds. It also gives you the temperature, speed 2, and speed 3. All right, so now that we've seen this up close, let's go ahead and get this installed. To get this installed on your MetaQuest 3, you're just going to take off the original faceplate. So once you have the original taken off, you're just going to take your new faceplate and slide that on. And once you hear those snaps, you're good to go. So now you have the dual fan action installed and you're ready to game. Another cool feature is going to be the knob on the left and right side. This is going to allow you to adjust how far away the mask is from your face. So this is going to allow you to have a lot more comfort. So once I put this on, all I have to do is press the button, and I can feel the cool air coming in. And it's not a big distraction at all with the fan noise. It actually feels really good. And this can keep you gaming for a lot longer. With the 3 speeds, you should get at least, 2.5, 3 hours of continuous gaming on here. So you'll be all good to go there. Well, guys, this is going to be the anti-fog dual turbo cooling fan for your MetaQuest 3. I would highly recommend having something like this if you want to enjoy your MetaQuest a lot longer. So hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.